Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add Bluetooth icon in Taskbar Windows 11. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now if you want to add your Bluetooth icon to Taskbar, then this is what you simply need to do. First, you need to go ahead and click on the Start button on your Windows 11. Select Settings. Now hang on for the Settings page to open. Once it opens, locate and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now scroll down, locate and click on View More Devices. Once you click on that, scroll down, locate and click on More Bluetooth Settings. So click on More Bluetooth Settings. Now then it should say this pop up. Now locate and check Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Then click on Apply. Click on OK. Now close your settings, come down to the taskbar. Then you have the Bluetooth icon here. So each time you want to access the Bluetooth on your Windows 11, just come to your taskbar, click on this pointed arrow, and then you have access to your Bluetooth icon. So that's exactly how to add Bluetooth icon in Taskbar Windows 11. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.